Hey there! Are you ready to start selling on Etsy, but feeling a bit daunted by the cost of listing fees? Well, I've got some great news for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to get 40 free listings when you sign up for a new Etsy account. And trust me, this is a game changer. Step 1. Finding a referral code. The first step is to find a referral code. You can already find one down in the description to make your life easier, but you can also reach out to an existing Etsy seller, asking if they have a referral code or search for one online. Make sure though that you're searching for the latest and valid referral codes. Step 2. Signing up for an Etsy account. Next, head on over to the referral link and click on the Open a Shop Today button and register. It's that easy. Step 3. Confirm your account. After completing the registration process, you must verify your account via email. After that, you can begin using your free listings to create new listings for your shop. Now that you have those 40 free listings, it's time to use them. Make certain that your photos are of good quality and accurately represent the item. To make it easier for customers to find your products, include keywords in the title and tags, and include detailed information about the item in the product description. Increase visibility and sales by utilizing Etsy's SEO function, social media, and other promotional tools. It's important to remember that using a referral code is only the first step in starting a successful Etsy shop. To increase your sales, optimize your listings, use effective pricing, take advantage of promotions, and utilize community resources. And also, please note that referral codes can only be used if you open a shop for the first time. If you already have a shop opened, you can't use them. What you can do instead is to share your own referral code with others, and when they open a shop for the first time, you both get 40 free listings. So, there you have it. With these simple steps, you can get 40 free listings on Etsy and start building your successful handmade or vintage business. Thanks for watching and happy selling.